Welcome friends to the Vitor classes. Today we will solve another question, and the question here is: a vessel is filled with a liquid, 3 parts of which are water and 5 parts syrup. How much of the mixture must be drawn off and replaced with the water so that the mixture may be half water and half syrup? And the question here is like, there is a vessel in which 3 parts of is water and 5 parts is syrup. So we have to take out some mixture and mix it with water so that the value of both syrup and water is becomes equal. Okay, so to do this we'll just consider simple things. So the first thing is here is, let's see, there are 3 parts of water and 5 parts of syrup. So if you add both of this, it will become 8. So just consider, let the vessel contains 8 liter of a liquid. Okay, so now consider, let x liter of this liquid be replaced. So we are making here that x liter of liquid from this liquid is replaced. Okay, now we have to see that what is the quantity of water and what is the quantity of syrup after this. So quantity of water will be see. So the total quantity of water was how much? 3. Okay. So how much water we are subtracting from it? Yeah. How much water is subtracting from is, see, when we are subtracting, how much parts will be subtracting? 3 parts of how much part? Of total 8 parts. So that we are subtracting 3 minus 8 part, 3 minus 8 part of x, because x is the total liquid. So for example, this is your bucket. Okay, this is water and this is syrup. Now we are taking some amount of water. Okay, this amount of water, with this amount of liquid we are taken out. Okay, so here also the 3 parts will be water and 5 parts will be syrup. That's we are doing here. 3 by the whole, 3 is what part of this? 3 is whole of this. So 3 by 8 of x, the water we are replacing, at the liquid we are taking out. And now to make this thing equal, we have taken x out, so we will put x of water inside. So we are putting x of water inside. Now similarly, quantity of syrup, quantity of syrup will be how much it is? 5, the total part. Now how much we will taking out? 5 by 8 of this, 5 by 8 of x. So 5 by 8 of x. And how this is, so now see, this is the difference here. Now we will not add x. Why we add x here? Because x is the amount of water, not syrup, and here we are calculating syrup. So according to the question, what is given, that half water and half syrup, means the quantity of water and quantity of syrup should be equal. So just equate both of these two. Okay, I think I forgot x here. Yeah, so now take LCM. It will come 8, 24, 3x plus 8x. Take LCM 8 here, so it will come 40 minus 5x. Okay, 8 get cancelled out. Now we are having 24 plus 5x is equal to 40 minus 5x. Now 5x plus 5x, this will come here and this will 24 will go that side, so equal to 20 minus 24 is equal to 16. So it will be 10x is equal to 16, or x equals to 16 by 10, means 8 by 5. Okay, so part of mixture to be replaced. So how much part of this is the amount of water we have taken out. Okay, so how much part of this mixture we have to replace is a 1/8 part of the mixture we will replace. Okay, we will replace. So it will give 1/5. So 1/5 part of the mixture should be replaced to get the quantity which we want. If you have any problem on this, please comment on the comment box. We will solve it for you, or I will explain in the comment only. Thanks for watching. Please like our video, comment on our video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.